Unboxing xTool F1 Laser Engraver. Okay, moment of truth. I'm going to open this. As always, it is so nicely boxed. So I'm just going to tilt it for you to see. Like this. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to try to lift it this way. This is very interesting. It's like a little puzzle. I just lift it. Oh, I can lift it. It's very light. And each of these is a box. This. Oh, you know, it's a thing of beauty. And I wonder what's inside each one of these. So there are 4 of these. It's beautifully packaged. And look at that. And even this, now it slips out. It wasn't slipping out before, but it is perfectly done. So I'm just going to put this to the side. So safety instructions, quick start guide. I like it that it is very thin. Okay, I like it. Lots of pictures, which is very nice. I like pictures more than words. It's very light. It's like Christmas. Okay, we've got materials for small versions of stone, cards, and I know what this is. That is the plate for putting materials on. Okay, power. And the power cord, the other half is the power cord. So far, it's really simple. Perfect. So this goes to the back. So it goes to exhaust. Awesome. And that's all there is to it. We have the black paper for calibration, stainless steel pendants that are made of hearts. And I think this is wood of some sort, cards. These are aluminum business cards. I love this wood. This is, and there are 2 pieces of the balsa wood. It's really nice. Pleather, leatherette coasters. And this is a piece of slate. And then this is the xTool, the key. So I have found great uses for this wood. It is so incredibly smooth. It's great for making templates. I think we are ready for a test drive. And this is really light, which is great. I hope you found that useful. Stones & Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as a huge selection of engraving blanks. I'm going to leave more information about our company in the description below.